The high volume of developmental track meets being cancelled is becoming a serious problem for coaches looking to adequately prepare their athletes for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in March. Roderick Miles, head coach of William Knibb Memorial High, says it's impossible to plan ahead, not knowing whether the development meets scheduled on the J3's calendar will be held or scrapped.
Well, it track meet cancel is like it put the entire program in a tailspin. Like, for example, I would have gone one track meet, then take a break, then go two track meet, then take a break. Now I have to go 1, 2, 3. Like it's less run. So again, it's almost that is like you have to plan weekly while you go along. You can't plan for the season because sometimes you wouldn't know that these track meet would have cancelled like a month or 2 before. It's like you was like maybe like 3 weeks, maybe you was planning for this track meet, and all of a sudden it's basically the cancel.
Suzette McKenzie, who is assisting with the very technical team, isn't too concerned about the lack of meets as long as the athletes do their best when they get on the track.
For the students, they have been doing ongoing preparation, practicing at school. So whichever event comes, I know that they are going to do their best because they have been training very hard. In life, there are going to be obstacles and there are going to be challenges. And these types of challenges, they would have to just rebound and just put their best foot forward and do their best in whichever events comes.
The Western Relays, the Queen's Grace Jackson Invitational and the Mobe Comets Development Meet have been cancelled for varying reasons in recent weeks. In the meantime, increased entry fees for meets has been highlighted as a major concern for high schools preparing for champs. However, the issue is currently under review by the Intersecondary Schools Sports Association, ISA.